Welcome students to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about Venn diagram. Venn diagram is nothing but just a diagrammatic representation of sets. For example, here we have two sets. One is set A that has the element apple, mango, kiwi, banana, and we have another set that has the element cricket, football, hockey. Now, if we want to represent this set using a diagram, then that representation will be like this. This is the representation of set A. And how do we represent the set? Just with a circle. So this circle represent the set of all elements of the set A. Now here you can write just the name of the set, that is you can write just A here to denote this circle, or just write the name of the elements inside this circle. But in case we have a large number of elements inside that set, it is not possible to write a name of every element inside that Venn diagram. So that is why we often just write the name of the set inside the Venn diagram or just outside it. And this is the set B. So these two circle represents the Venn diagram of set A and set B respectively. So that's it. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.